The MSI Cyborg 15 Gaming A13UCX is designed for gamers who demand high performance and stunning visuals. Equipped with the latest Intel Core i5-13420H processor, this gaming laptop ensures you stay ahead in every game. High-speed performance and storage. The MSI Cyborg 15 features a 512GB NVMe PCIe SSD, offering lightning-fast data access and ample storage for all your games and files. With 16GB DDR5 5200MHz IM, multitasking becomes effortless. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2054GB GPU GDDR6 graphics. Display: 15.6 FHD, 1920x1080, 144Hz IPS level display. Webcam HD type, 30 frames per second 720p. Keyboard: single backlit keyboard, blue. The MSI Cyborg 15 Gaming A13UCX is built with gamers in mind. Its durable design and high-performance components ensure that it can handle the most demanding games. Communication: GBLAN 802.11ax Wi-Fi 6 Plus Bluetooth version 5.2. Audio 2x2W speaker. Audio jack 1x MIC in headphone out combo jack. Battery 3-cell 53.5 battery, where AC adapter 120W adapter. Weight 1.98 kilograms.